Dipani YouTube channel. This is Neha Patel, your mother teacher of grade 1A. Now today we are going to learn English grammar. And in English grammar we will learn punctuation. 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 So what is punctuation? Punctuation क्या होता है? तो punctuation marks are a symbol. Punctuation marks क्या है? Symbol है. That help make the meaning of sentence more clear. वो हमारा जो sentence होता है उसका meaning एकदम clear कर देता है. तो now today we will learn capital letter and full stop. Now see, we begin a sentence with a capital letter. Sentence always start with capital letter. Sentence हम किससे start करेंगे? Always start with capital letter. First letter always capital होना चाहिए. Now we end a sentence with a full stop. We end sentence with a full stop. और sentence end किससे करेंगे हम? Full stop. See, this is symbol of full stop. Now I will give some example of capital letter and full stop. First, THIS, this is, and by my, HOUSE, house. This is my house. So in this sentence, first letter is always capital. So T is capital, and see, we begin a sentence with a capital letter, and we end a sentence with a full stop. So first capital letter and last full stop. Clear? Now see, HEEGOES goes to, TH is the, PARK park. He goes to the park. वो कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पार्क में. So see, in second sentence, first letter H is capital and last में full stop. So we begin a sentence with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay? Now last, the ball is in the basket. Ball कहाँ है? Basket के अंदर. See, same to same. First letter T is capital and last sentence end with full stop. Now again start another sentence. It is blue. It is blue in color. तो कौन से कलर में? Blue color में. तो see, in this sentence again I is capital and sentence end with capital letter. Exercise A. Complete this sentence using the letters in the box. आपको क्या करना है एक्सरसाइज में? Complete these letters with the given word. आपको ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी वर्ड दिया है उसका यूज करके इसको कंप्लीट करना है. Now see first number M, S, T, X and O. Now see the exercise. Dash HE, sun shines brightly. See, this is incomplete word. So write first T. THE, the sun shines brightly. Always sentence begin with capital letter and ends with full stop. Now second number UR. UR is also incomplete word. So write O. OUR. Our house is red in color. Always sentence start with capital letter and ends with full stop. So our house is red in color. हमारा हाउस कौन से कलर में? रेड कलर में. Dash E is my best friend. So again incomplete word. So fill with H. So write H. He is my best friend. That Y, uncle lives in Kanpur. Again Y is incomplete, so write M. It means my uncle lives in Kanpur. मेरे अंकल कहाँ रहते हैं? कानपुर में. Dash HELIVES lives near the river. So again H is incomplete word, so write S. she lives near the river. वो कहाँ रहती है? रिवर के पास. Write these words in the correct order. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? राइट दिस वर्ड इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर, आपको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में लिखना है। इट मीन्स जंबल सेंटेंसेस आपको दिए गए उसको रीअरेंज करके लिखना है। बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग स्टूडेंट, ऑलवेज sentence begin with capital letter and ends with full stop. So see everyone, SWIM swim after full stop. It means इस वर्ड आपको सबसे लास्ट में लिखना है। विथ फुल स्टॉप वाला वर्ड आपको लास्ट में लिखना है। देन LIKES likes CO2, then SEEM सीमा। तो in this सीमा word S is capital, so first write सीमा, SEEM सीमा, likes to, LIKES likes to swim। लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप। तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, सेंटेंस बिगिन विथ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंड्स विथ फुल स्टॉप। नाउ सेकंड नंबर, इज रेड द इन कलर एंड बॉल। तो इन दिस सेंटेंस THE the, first THE the is capital, in the spelling T capital, so first write THE the and see in color after full stop। It means this word write in last, a word को हम सबसे लास्ट लिखेंगे। तो the BALL ball is red in color and लास्ट में full stop। तो the ball is red in color। See again, first letter always capital and last full stop। Now see, jumps over she the ball। So see again in this sentence as capital in she words। So first write she and the ball after full stop, it means write last the ball। Okay, so she jumps over the ball and then full stop। So see again, first letter capital and last full stop। Add HOME home, TOM Tom, TODAY today and is। So again see everyone, in this sentence T is capital, so first write Tom and today after full stop, so in last write today। So Tom is at home today। Tom is at home today, first letter capital and last full stop। and last one PARROT parrot और after full stop, it means ये वर्ड हम सबसे लास्ट में लिखेंगे। नाउ PET pet, THAT that, IS is or might। Again in this sentence T is capital in that word, so first write that is, now helping verb might, pet parrot, last in full stop। That is my pet parrot। The first letter capital and last full stop। Student, again remember one thing, we also begin these with a capital letters। For example, names of people, for example Radha, Mita, Rita, Sita, Ram, Mohan, so always start with capital letter। Now names of places, names of places means India, Chennai, Hyderabad, Rajasthan। Okay, so also name of places start with capital letter। Then name of days and months, name of days and month also start with capital letter। For example Monday, Wednesday, January, February, May। The word I, and also the word I start with capital letter। For example, Rahul and I go to the park। So in this sentence first letter is always capital। Rahul, see, this is the name of boy and I। Okay, so the word I always start with capital letter. Now see the exercise. Rewrite the sentences using capital letter and full stop. So first, Sarah's birthday is in January. So in this sentence, name of people. So see, Sarah is girl. So first letter of Sarah's birthday is in again January. So January is the name of month. So write in capital letter January and last full stop. Always sentence and with full stop. So Sarah's birthday is in January. Now next, the cat climbs up the tree. So again in this sentence, first letter capital. So write first the cat climbs up the tree and sentence ends with capital letter. The first letter capital and last full stop. Now next, KRIS, Chris and Gina are in Jodhpur. So again in this sentence, name of person Chris and Gina and place also Jodhpur. So write Chris, Gina and Jodhpur in capital letter. Okay, now how to write it? KRIS, Chris and capital of Gina का G capital GINA Gina are in again J capital JODHPUR Jodhpur and last full stop. So Chris and Gina are in Jodhpur. Okay, and sentence and with full stop. Last, we do not have school on Wednesday. So again always first letter capital. We do not have school. So school is place. So write capital school on again Wednesday is a day. So write capital. Okay. Again Wednesday is a name of day. So write capital. So we do not have school on Wednesday and last full stop. Sentence ends with full stop. Now we will learn punctuation with question mark. QUESTIOS question, MARKS question mark. And see, this is the sign of question mark. Okay, now what is the rule of question mark? So we ask question when we want to know something. हमको किसी के बारे में कुछ भी जानना है तो at that time we want to ask question. हम किसी को भी question पूछेंगे. For example, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो? तो it means मुझे कुछ जानना है तो at that time मैं क्या करूँगी? question पूछूंगी. हमको किसी के बारे में कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो हम क्या करते हैं? Ask question. उसको question पूछते हैं. Then we ask question with words like WHO who, WHERE where and WHAT what. We ask question with word. हम कौन से वर्ड से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे? तो WHO who means कौन. हम किसी के बारे में पूछना चाहते हैं. Who are you? Who am I? At that time we use WHO who. WHERE where means आपको पर्टिकुलर प्लेस के बारे में जानना है. Where do you live? So at that time we use WHERE where. WHAT what. What is this? What is this? What is that? तो आपको किसी के बारे में मतलब पूछना है कि what is this? ये क्या है? तो इसके लिए हम किसका यूज करेंगे? At that time we use WHAT what. Now a question always begin with a capital letter. And question always begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay. Question always begin with capital letter and ends with question mark. Okay. Now see, tick the question. आपको टिक मार्क लगाना है जहाँ हमने question पूछा है. Question always start with which word? WHO, who, WHERE, where, and WHAT, what. And always question start with capital letter and ends with question mark. Okay. Now first number, WHO, who goes to the market. Who goes to market? Market कौन गया? It means हमको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए. We want to something. मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन, हमको किसी की इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए. तो say WHO, it means which word है? Question word. Okay. तो WHO and last full stop. Sentence start with capital letter and ends with full stop. Ends with question mark. It means this is a question sentence. So we put right. Okay. Now next, WHAT, what is your name? What is your name? Again I want to get information about you. मुझे आपको मतलब information लेना है. What is your name? आपका name क्या है? तो again say WHAT, what, and last question mark. So this is again not a simple sentence, question mark, question sentence. So we put again right. Now MOTHER, mother, READS, read, STORY, story, BOOKS, book. तो मदर रीड स्टोरी बुक. यहाँ आपको हु का यूज किया है, व्हाट है या वेयर का यूज नहीं किया. सी दिस इज सिंपल सेंटेंस एंड सी sentence start with capital letter and ends with full stop. So this is simple sentence. Okay. So we put cross. Now WHERE, where. See everyone, we ask question with the word where also. So where is my umbrella? मेरी umbrella कहाँ है? And see last question mark. So again we put right. Now SUMI, Sumi waters the plants. Sumi क्या कर रही है? वो plants को पानी दे रही है. तो again WH से कोई sentence start भी नहीं हुआ, ना last में question mark है. तो see again sentence start with capital letter and ends with full stop. So we put cross. Now WHAT, what is the time? Time क्या हुआ? It means again sentence begin with WHAT and ends with question mark. So again we put right over here. Next exercise, rewrite each sentences using capital letter. Each sentence with a full stop or a question mark. तो rewrite आपको क्या करना है? इस सेंटेंस को rewrite करना है with capital letter, full stop and a question mark. Now first TARA, Tara. So see, this is the name of person. So first write T capital TARA. Tara loves playing with her kitty. See, this is simple sentence. So sentence start with capital letter and ends with full stop. Now second number, WHAT, what does Ali like to do? WHAT, what means question mark, question sentence. So first WHAT, what DOES does. Again Ali is a name of person, so write in capital ALI, Ali, LIKE, like, TO2 or DO2, and last sentence end with question mark because start with WHAT, what. So what is the word of ask question? What word का यूज हम क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए करते हैं. So sentence end with question mark. Now third number, I. The first letter always capital. So first write I, WANT, want, TO2, GO, go, FOR, for, WALK, walk, and ends with. So this is simple sentence. So again sentence start with capital letter and ends with full stop. And last number WHERE, where. So again WHERE, where means ask questions. Question पूछा है where does Smita live? स्मिता कहाँ रहती है? तो first start with capital letter WHERE, where. DOES, does. Again this is the name of person, so write capital Smita live. And see, where does Smita live? Again this is not a simple sentence, so we put question mark. Sentence begin with capital letter and ends with question mark.